Om Shri Manjunataya Namaha. I have great pleasure in extending a warm welcome to His Excellency, the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankarji. I also welcome Dr. Srimati Sudesh Dhankarji, spouse of our Honorable Vice President. I also welcome other dignitaries on the dais. Our MP is there. With them, I welcome all the other dignitaries. A warm welcome to all the who are assembled here to mark this historic event. Welcome to Sri Kshetra Dharmasala, sir. Sri Manjunatha Swami Temple is here, has a history of over 800 years. Following the Chaturdana, that is Annadana, Vidyadana, Aushadana and Abhayadana. And as always in Dharmasala, we believe that every devotee is divine in God. Bhakta di Devo Bhava, devotees are God, is the core foundation of Sri Sanidhya Q complex has been constructed. The Sri Sanidhya Q complex is designed keeping in mind every need of the devotee. Two-storied building with 16 halls, 8 on each floor, and the Sri Sanidhya Q complex can hold 12,000 devotees at one time. The devotees will need not stand in lines, rather they will be comfortably seated in the complex without getting wet during the rainy season or feeling the summer heat in the hot season. Various facilities like cafeteria, child care, washroom, drinking water and many more have been made available within the Q complex to provide convenience to the devotees. Digital TVs have been installed in the Q complex that will provide the spiritual connect to the devotees. Also, 160 artificial intelligence enabled smart cameras, 263 speakers, 54 amplifiers and other technology platforms will ensure that the state-of-art surveillance and communication systems are put in place to ensure the safety, security and comfort of the devotees. High volume, low speed fans like what you have here and a fresh air circulation system ensure that the devotees will be in comfortable temperatures all the time. One number of 650 kilowatt solar system along with energy and water monitoring in the Q complex makes it sustainable and environmentally responsible too. My brother Harshendra Kumar has executed this commendable work and I appreciate Harshendra Kumar, the architect and their team. Today, we also have an initiative under our Jnana Deepa education program. This is one of our flagship program of SKDAD, Sri Kshetra Dharmasala Rural Development Project. It is said that education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. In rural India, there are still many children who do not get the basic education necessities to fulfill their educational needs. We have initiated the Jnana Deepa program to strengthen rural education in the state of Karnataka, right from providing scholarships to rural students and to pursue technical and professional education, providing additional teachers to schools where only one teacher is working, providing bench and desks to the schools, providing financial assistance for construction of school buildings, playgrounds, toilets to ensure that education is provided with all amenities across rural India. We are delighted to inform His Excellency that under the Jnana Deepa program, financial assistance for construction of 6,821 primary schools, 1,019 Anganwadi, 4,982 playgrounds and 787 toilets have been provided to these schools. 9,278 teachers services have been engaged across schools in Karnataka and 71,454 bench and desk sets have been distributed across schools. This year too, we shall be providing student monthly scholarship amounting to over 65,000 rural students and engaging over 1,028 teachers for rural India. My wife, Srimati Hemavati V. Hegde, impactful initiatives called Jnana Vikasa program focuses on educating the mother of these rural children to ensure thereby continuing education of children with minimal school out dropouts. To inaugurate Sri Sanidhya Koi complex and to kickstart the Jnanadeepa educational program for 2025, we have amidst us a very special dignity, His Excellency, the Honorable Vice President of India, a man with no ego, so down to earth, so polite, and yet so graceful and striking. In May 2023, I learnt that Sri Jagadeep Ji had gone all the way to Kerala to meet his mathematics teacher there. And the teacher was aged 83 years, and she was so proud to see her student to become the second citizen of the country. And her words that this was the best Guru Dakshina I got, she ever got from any student who is heart-touching. All along during the course of my Rajya Sabha sessions, I have been always fascinated by the very simple and unassuming personality of our Honorable Vice President. Born in a small village called Kitana in Rajasthan, Sri Jagadeep Ji has rose to assume the office of Governor in 2019. He was elected as the 14th Vice President of India in 2022 and holds the unique position of being the first Vice President to be born after India became a republic in 1950. Sir, your humble disposition and the remarkable contributions to our motherland have been inspired many and will continue to make significant impact for the present and future generations. We are honored to extend a hearty welcome to Sri Jagadeep Dhinkarji and to Honorable Vice President India. Welcome, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to the Second Lady of India, Srimati Sudesh Dhinkarji. I am glad to note that Madam has done an insightful study on the groundwater conservation in Rajasthan, for which she was confirmed doctorate. Srimati Sudesh Ji has been source of inspiration on every moment of Sri Jagadeep Ji's life. We respectfully extend a hearty welcome to you, Madam. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the other dignitaries present here. I welcome the administrative officials from both central and state governments. I welcome our Lok Sabha member, Shri Brijesh Chauta ji, to this function. Our staff members, media and others who have assembled here to witness the mega event. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು